What is the decimal multiplier you should use for a 12% increase, a 1.9% increase, and a 30% decrease? So we've already looked at multipliers when we were looking at how to find a percentage of an amount using a calculator. But now we're looking at increases and decreases. So I'm going to do this using a bar. So imagine here, now this red bar is going to be my 100%. And imagine we're increasing that by 12%. So I'm going to add on another bar, and this blue bar is going to be my 12%. That means that altogether we now have 112%. Now I need to turn that into my decimal multiplier. Now we know that 112% is out of 100 as a fraction because it's per 100. And this means 112 divided by 100 because a fraction is a division. So when I use my place value table, I'm just going to quickly draw one here, and we have 112. There's my decimal point, and I'm dividing by 100, so this 1 is going to move, divide by 10, divide by 100, it's going to move 2 spaces, it's going to be 1.12. So this as a decimal multiplier is 1.12. Okay, so part B, so I need another 100% bar. So here's my 100%. And it's a 1.9 increase, so I need another bar, and it's only going to be a very small bar. And this bar is going to be worth 1.9%, which means that altogether 100 add 1.9 is going to be 101.9%. Again, 101.9% is actually 101.9 per 100. A fraction is a division, so that's 101.9 divided by 100. And again, I can use my place value table. So I've got 101.9, and I'm dividing by 100, so 2 spaces, divide by 10, divide by 100, this one is going to go there, decimal point stays the same, followed by the 0.19. So this answer, the multiplier that I've been multiplying my original amount by, would be 1.019. Lastly, we've got the 30% decrease. So again, let's start off with my bar. So this bar is 100%. But I want a 30% decrease. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bar underneath just to show that this is a 30% and we're taking it away from the top bar. So I'm taking this away. In fact, I'm going to overlap them. There we go. So there's 30%. Just overlap. So we're taking it away. So I need to figure out what's down here. So 100% take away 30% is actually 70%. So I've got 70% left. 70%, which is 70 divided by 100. Use my place value table. 70, there's my decimal point, divided by 100, so 2 spaces, 7's going to go there. It's 0.7. Looks unusual because it's not like the number that we started with, but remember it's 30% less than 100, so it's 0.7 would be my multiplier.